Hello everyone, welcome back to Mining InfoTech Software channel. We are continuing our basic tutorial series. In our last session, we created a solid and designed benches within the solid. Today, we will pick up from where we left off, focusing on the bench design within the solid. Previously, we had two layers of face solid. The second layer where we created the benches will now be related to bench cuts, which contain bench cut layers, and it is the part of the face solid. We will move it since the bench control layer is part of a solid, we'll move it accordingly. To do this, press Ctrl, then click and drag with the left mouse button to move the bench cut layer to the face solid. Control and move face solid. Copy created, we will use this one. Okay. Now I will tell you how to combine or delete volume and other operation in the benches. I will demonstrate how to use a vector filter, which is helpful tool for isolating individual benches for visualization. For this, right click on the bench cut and select vector filters. You will notice a side window appearing on the right side of the screen displaying the interactive filter results. Click on the refresh like button and then select the view and the entry group. Click on the benches, press OK. This will allow you to see the individual benches in the layer, making it easier to perform further operation like combining or deleting volume. Let's explore the benches in this layer and see with the desired. Now let me first make it in descending order by clicking on the bench. And you can select individual benches for further manipulation. For example, if I select the bench number 540, which is the top bench and the calculated volume, and if I want to delete it, I remove it. But before removing it, I want to calculate its volume. That volume. For this, I will click on this window empty window and go to show view, setting and show bloom and make it on. When I press on this, I will see that here is the volume. Similarly, I can do it for other benches too. Now, in order to select two or more benches for this, press Control and click on someone else. You can see that you have two activated benches. This allow you to see the combined properties and volume of the selected benches. You can then decide whether to go or remove them based on information provided. Delete of a bench, select the bench and press delete. Then turn to another bench, select the bench, and we will continue it to bench number 420, which is our desired bench, and we want to start work from there. This is our final desired bench, and we will start mining from this. So now I want to combine two benches like 420 and 405 405. This first click on 420 and press Control and then click on 405. Now I have these two benches. For combining these two benches, go to the solid and press combine. We got a message to select the object to combine, to be combined. I select the object, right click, Now, when I click on the 420, I don't have anything. When I click on 405, I have become 9 benches. Now, to actualize the benches or refresh on the attractor filter, here is your final list of the benches. Uh, Now I want to separate or solid by filter for this. Switch off the recto filters, turn on your benches, your benches. To separate the solid by attribute, before we proceed, ensure that the bench filter is activated. We will use the attributes command to define layer based on the individual bench solid we have added. For this, go to the attribute menu and select layer. Choose edit and then copy. For the attribute, select bench to separate the solid by individual benches. Parse, so for this, select parse by attributes. And the parse by attribute is we are going to divide the solid into benches. That is why you will click on the benches. At the bottom, choose the option to delete original entities. And don't select hide or put layer. Press OK. Now you will see several separate benches on the left hand side. Window of layer control. To better visualize our work, please select the other benches except the last one is 405. You can adjust the visualization for better understanding and separation. And to individual benches. This concludes the process of separating the solid benches into attributes. Thank you for your attention. For the next steps, please stay tuned for our upcoming video on this week continuing from this point. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel for more knowledge distribution. Thank you.